Wamama oye! Wazee Kibim! To our deputy party leader, Honorable Hassan Joho, our Excellency Gladys Atieno Nyasuna Wanga, the party chairman, Honorable John Mbadi, the deputy governor, His Excellency Oyugi Magwanga, my colleague counterpart senator, Iluongoni Senator Moses Oseso, all the relatives who have come here today, Fatuma Network and the rest, all the MP and all visitors, Jodalawa, Johoma Bay, ODM, tuko tayari. ODM, tuko tayari. Jodalawa, isekelo sound system beanga duondaka. Jodalawa, wechegani wako manindandanda tabekping. Adwa wachoni ajo kanyanam. Aneno ka party ochiek kendo chungi mana. Koto chwe togo ukakuri towelo. Adwa kono uni awa party. Sita. No say what on President Ruto declared drought, declared floods as national disaster. Otaro kwijwach, awacho kosoka wacho. Jodalawa, adwa wacho niya, anungeni an county MP, ujobena kauda kikabo constituency, but abro kao manario, omiongodo wedang no ngwana, nikech wacho nana chiel, anyathima winjo wach, kapira wiyalar, ogich bada nitie, machunga uchiel, machunga chiek, ODM! Jodalawa, dhako kogo wiye to fundo gigene, aneno ka Chebukati notugo kodwa, wadwa chuo kachiel gi nyithindwa mwanyuolo, wadwa fundo machunga te, wadwa rido katon, 2027 kwa dhi lweny, tugo onge, wandhanyo gi kaka dwarore, wayiero jomotegno, mawigi ler, aneno ka wach Kiswahili kabe nitie, nyoro kane wane bunge, chikiti kanyo, na wacha I want to tell His Excellency, there was one time Ruto mentioned that most of his cabinet secretaries, they seem to be irrelevant, they seem to be sleeping on the job, and yesterday we had to tell Mithuka Linturi that is joking, fertilizer pogo kuoyo, our wage growth of DDP, oknyalre, fertilizer nakakelwa, omiyo sama weka, no se ket select committee, madhi yalo wachno timo nonro, tugo onge, bid wasiro malo, county wanyono tich, gik moko timore imara, ogit badwa nitie, wabiro gwe kaka sasudo, mon teko gi pek, nyawang'aya, nyona, wan kodi jo, tuko chonyo, tuko imara, kuna kurudi nyuma, mbele kamwe.